back. We're doing another movie review. This time the movie is called Building Star Trek. So it's a documentary about the, I guess probably the anniversary of something with the original Star Trek show. And it talks about the refurbishment of the Star Trek Enterprise model that they used in the TV show. The Smithsonian has that, and they went through and kind of showed the restoration process. They also showed a museum out in Washington State that was going to have another exhibit for the anniversary or whatever it was, and they accumulated most of the existing props and stuff from the show, so there wasn't much of that stuff left. They had the Kirk's the captain's chair. They had one of the kind of control panels from the navigator and whoever that was, and then they had things like a phaser. There's only a couple of phasers, I guess, from the show that still exist, and a tricorder and stuff. So it was neat to see a movie about the discovery and accumulation of the pieces, and then the restoration of the pieces, and then all the fans' excitement with the the kind of bringing all that stuff together for the anniversary of the show. So it's I guess it's a Smithsonian thing. I can get it on DVD from Amazon here. We'll leave a link to that, but I think it's also available online. Look around. It's called Building Star Trek, and it's from 2016. Thanks to our Patreons for giving us a chance to work on fun projects like this one, as well as our Second Amendment projects and the community building that we're attempting to do going into 2020. Let us know in the comments what you think of Star Trek, that documentary if you've seen it, and anything else. Thanks for watching.